38 bales loaded. I got another truck here to load, doing 2 today, 2 tomorrow. The hay's looking pretty decent. From being under that tarp, still has some decent color. A couple on the outside got a little rot in them, but it's to be expected. All right, there go the first 38 bales of, I don't know how many. I have 135 over here plus 14 down the road of crappier bales. There they go. Now we load one more truck. Another load. All right, another 38 loaded going down the road to Ohio. Both of those are going to Ohio. Got 2 more trucks coming tomorrow to take the rest of it. Load number 2 of my first crop of hay. All right, back over here at the lease ground. Got my truck in the PJ trailer. I'm just getting the last of this hay. I'm not strapping it down. I'm only going half a mile up the road back to my field to load this on a semi tomorrow. I just want to have it all over there because I don't have the time to be orchestrating it all. So doing it now so it's ready to go for tomorrow. So just putting the rest of these bales on, 14 total, and then taking it back up to the field. Got the tractor all lit up. It's looking pretty sweet at night. Get the rest of this hay out of here. The ground's frozen. Trying not to fall and bust my butt. But I do like this tractor. I am impressed though. Just that tarp over here. You can see a little bit of rot on the outsides on the bottom bales. You're looking at the last row there on top. And that hay still looks really nice. It still has its greenness to it a little bit. Pretty nice. The tarp worked out pretty good. All right, last bale to complete this semi load, and then I got one more semi to load. It takes me about an hour and 45 to load these things. All right, that's a wrap on my hay. It's all gone. Well, about to be gone. 2 more semis today. This one's got a heck of a lot of bales on it. A lot of bales. A lot of hay bales leaving at once. Heading down to St. Clairsville, Ohio area. It's the load number 3 and 4. We only got, I think, 36 on that one, so we put 44 on this guy's. He might have trouble making this turn as long as he is. Made it.